Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI on Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Excel application on your computer, and after that, you're going to go to the home menu or home tab and go to this menu, add-ins. Tap on that, and then you're going to search for the AI that you want to add to your Microsoft Excel. Just type in AI and there will be some results for you. You just need to select one of them, and as you can see, I have already added 3 AIs to my Excel, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, this is for the Rosie AI, and for example, I'm going to ask the AI to create table. And the AI adds the detail about the table, guys. And if you want to get the best result from the AI, you need to add detailed description to the prompt. Okay, and now as you can see that the AI has created a table for me, and I can edit the table for my data. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use AI on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!